3, 2, 1, and action. What the
Sanibonani bafethu. Welcome once again to another show called Soweto Podcast Paranormal Show. Igama lami uSipho Hadebe, as you know by now. Bafethu, I'm so excited. I'm glad to be in your space. As you are watching me wherever you are in your own homes, emsebenzini yazi bafethu nokutshontsha isikhathi ekuseni busy Sipho ekuseni ngiyakubukela Nkosi yami ngiyajabula kanjani ibhoko. Okay, I'm happy ukuthi angibukela. Wi-Fi yasemsebenzini iphelile wosisi wami dadewethu, ngiyabonga. It's okay, uthando kuphela. Bafethu, you're welcome once again. Thank you so much for watching the show right now. Mzansi wonke jikelele international, we are international guys, please. Because of your support, we are now international. So we thank you so much for supporting us. Please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, notification button, click it. Let us know what you think of the show. Let us know how can we improve what we do, Bafethu. We take everything, criticism, anything that you want us to do, as long as it builds us, and then we move forward together and we grow together. Askhuliseni kasi Bafethu. So to Podcast Paranormal Show, it's in your space. Thank you, Bafethu. Sister Roja.
Ukhona njani?
Ugrandera wise?
Angishaphi wena?
Usho ngathi unamahloni ngathi uyasaba ufuna ukukhuluma nami. Or sikubambile.
Angikre.
Ungasabi uphethe mina. Yabo moseduze kwami. Ziya, yangithina nomfana weyibhola. Yangithola.
Okay.
Ugrandera wise sister?
Angishaphi.
Nonyabonga sister usivakashela fana. Sure. Uphethe isipoko ne?
Yo, bese nzima kabi.
Sister, asibathathamule ke ngesipoko. Please give us an introduction. Who are you? And where you from? And yeah, tell us what you want to tell us about yourself.
Okay. Igama lami uBoitumelo Mokoena. So, ngihlala eVlakfontein, Lenasia South. Ngikhulele lapho, mara emakhaya ngibuya eLesotho kahle kahle yabona.
Okay.
Yeah. Ngivele that side, and then my mom decided to relocate azothola impilo ngapha the side.
Cool.
So khulele lapha eVlakfontein. So yeah, ngikhulele khona, yeah, impilo yabasharp, ngena iskola yabona yonke into hamba kahle, matric uphasa kahle. And then now it came a period whereby I had to uthi yabona manje ngifuna ukwenzani ukuqhubekisa imfundo zami yabona. So remember ukuthi ngithe ngizalelwe eLesotho angisho.
That's correct.
So now I have to go back eLesotho ngoba uyazi ukuthi lana inesifasa ayifandi ama foreigner, you know.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
So I had to go back ukuthi manje hey mele ngiyele manje lapha eLesotho nginayo ifamily ne mara angibazi mina labantu laba ngihambe lapho ngisasemncane yabona ngibajwayelanga and ngithi akusi sihlangana nje yabona.
Occasions.
Then yeah, I don't know those people mina yabona. So now I have to ukuthi ngihambe ngiyohlala ngale ngiyofunda ngale university ngale. Angazi umuntu lapho, yabona, dezinjalo. So yeah, I had to ukuthi ngiye eLesotho, ngiyohlala eLesotho due to ukuthi manje ngiyafunda yabona.
Okay.
So I went there, ngayenza i-degree yami 4 years, kind of ngiqeda this year. And now I'm back baby.
Okay. Hey,
back for the money.
Nazo-ke mamkhweni. Bowenza ini ke sisonke?
I was studying a TV program, film and production. Yes.
Nice.
So-
Bafethu. No into ezinhle madoda. Okay.
So,
All right, mamkhwena. Ningakhi ekhaya?
ekhaya si-5.
Ni-5.
Ithi 6 kahle kahle. Yebo, omunye sekadlulile.
Okay.
Yebo. So mina I'm the third one.
Okay.
Ubis 3. Abafana abawu-2 bese kuba yimi, bese kuba umunye umfana, bese kuba intombazana yokugcina. Mara njengoba ngithe si6, kumele kuba abafana obuyi2 abokuqala nentombazana indala le eyadlula. Yabo,
khona wadlula.
Yeah, so
Okay.
manje si5 nje yabona.
Alright.
So yimi usisi omdala lapha endlini yabona.
Okay, mamkhwena.
Yeah.
No, siyabonga ukuthi usivakashele today.
Ngiyabonga.
Okay, mamkhwena. As you visited us today, you've got your story to tell. Please hit us with your story.
Yohle.
Okay, I know, it's okay. I know ngicela ukujoina ngiyakusupporta shem.
Senzima le story yazi.
Sinzima.
Hey. So, yeah, njengoba ngisho ukuthi yabona bese ngihlala ngalo yabo emakhaya. So obviously ngama holiday ngiyeza la eGoli yabona ngize ekhaya vele because akekho umuntu engamvakashela ngale. Khumbula umama wami nabantwana bakithi. Okay, fine. So this one time ngizile ngila ekhaya. So sekumele ngibuyele esikolweni manje ikolo ziyavula. Okay, so bengingafuni ukuhamba ngento. Plus it was summer yabona. Ngithathe imithwalo yami miningi, ngithengele impahla ezintsha, vele sengibhaka nje impahla ze-winter. Nginemithwalo nje yabona, sharp. So ngicwafa ukuhamba ngamateksi man, yabona. Ngithi ngihambe ngi-catch a ride. Catch a ride ilabantu laba abasemakhaya abathenga izinto la eGoli abastokayo. Bastokela abantu ukuthi bayothengisa ngale emakhaya yabo.
Okay.
So kunokwenza ukuthi umuntu wakhona ustokile and then makastoke kanjalo uthola ukuthi kunespace nyane emotweni yabona. Uyamfuna nje umuntu ongahamba ngaye. So ngithi ayithi ngihambe ngale moto bus izongilanda endlini, phinde ngibeke endlini mangifika emakhaya yabo.
Yes.
Like okay, cool, sharp, I'm relaxed. Ngihlale lapho nje. Kai ufike actually beku-girl this time around u-Ospopi. Ufike around 5 ntambama. Afika angilanda, hayi, thatha izinto vele imithwalo. Siyi-2 emotweni, sihamba vele. Plus what I liked about that ukuthi vele uma uhamba nge-private car uyakhona ukuthi uyabona libe ushaya into zakho yabona. Ngoba vele mina ngumuntu ozithandelayo yabo. Ngithi 6-pack yami, ngimnandi, siyi-2, ugela kaphuzi yena ngoba vele uyadrive yabona. Awuna bothata. Khatha my hair. Sihamba. Masizodlula la Konto, Senegal.
Sorry, ma'am, Kintwaning.
Kintwa ya last year.
Last year.
Yeah. It was 2024. Kumbula August. Yes.
Okay, cool.
So, masodlula Senegal, wabona. Kusebusuku manje, I think it was around past 11 to 12 ukuya lapha yabo. Siyahamba ke. Harere. Ngibona mme khona lo mama man esayidini. Simbona nje sisaqhamuka sisavela leyo yabona. Umile umama esayidini and uphethe itshali, angazi yini itshali ngesizulu uyabona. Phethe itshali lo mama. Yeah, uyabona ukuthi there's something at the back. Ayi siyahamba. Ospopisha, like we know women to women, we are concerned ukuthi lo mama estradini emgwaqweni ngalesikhathi simisa imoto nomuntu akhona masichamuka nje uyenza kanje uyabona like uyahike remise koloi how mama kwetha la uyakai like and why uhamba ngomntwana estradini ebusuku kanje mama asho ukuthi hayi Brenda wami ngicela ilift sithi mama uyapi athi ngiyeli Lesotho yabo lapho umuntu akhona nje already inyembezi nje ziyayehla nje uyakhala yabona sithi kuya okay mama usenhlanhleni because nathi siyakhona rama Lesotho Ramaseko ngene emotweni mama ahlala ishiftise nje ibheke ahlale lapha emuva sambe khatsama akeletsele ngawutlwa man qala ukubanda man la emotweni man wabona temperature iya change okay sharp ay riska ina ran twiu later aircon tsole pele ka tsela wabona tsamaya lo mntana manje sekayaqala manje uyakhala uyabona yakhala uma yakhala umntwana ngijike mina ngithi kulo mama why ungakhiphi umntana umsuse emqolo uyabona umbambe yabona umkuke umshushuzele yabona yabo lo mama athi kimi uzoba right uyoze alale yabona hayi reshebana jole lo-Ospopi for her hayi okay sharp sichubeke ngendlela so me being me ngithathe ukudla ngiyacabanga ukuthi lo muntu lo uyakhala ngenze ukuthi umntwana maybe akanceli ibisi la kamama yakhe uncela ibhodlela njengoba angaphathanga nomthwalo angenanix ngithi ngenze ukuthi umntwana ulambile ngibona thathe lapha ama chips ngithi uzobona ukuthi wenze njani adlisa umntwana thatha ama chips ngimnikeze namanzi yabona athathe umama vele abonga okay fine sichubeke ngendlela sichubeke lo ngiyahlaba vele lo ngiyaphuza aman ha re letseleng se re ratsama kutlwa phela wabona and that was it. I think I woke up I don't know how many hours later ngivuka mara bese neseluseng so watsiba ka Augusta ke it's ke sama ngere hwachisa ngere ene ilanga lisheshe livele ha ke tsowa ke bula mahlo ke yabona okay se khole light and I'm still in the car ngiyenzani emotweni ha ke jika ke sheba Ospopi kama nangomuntu ulele ikhanda lenze so esterinini uphuma igazi but it wasn't bad ke motsose man Ospopi akavuki Ospopi manje sengiyaqala ukuthuka manje aphaphame okay ngimbuza ukuthi sifike kanjani la kwenzakalani sikuphi kela kakhuluma umangele naye ayifika ngiyabona umuntu akhona usathukile like she's in shock yabona sharp ngiphuma emotweni ha ke etswa ka koloing ngiyabona ukuthi sisemtabeni. Ngibuza uSipho sifike kanjani la? Naye akazi. Uyangitshela ukuthi remember ukuthi mina bengingaphuzi. You are the one umuntu like you were the one drinking. Mina I wasn't even drinking. I don't know what happened. I'm like kanjani? Asazi. Ngimbuza ngithi okay fine. Uphi lo mama loya? Esimnikeze ilift eSenegal izo. Yabo uSipho bathi uphuma mama manje ukhuluma ngani? Uthi hayi kungomama behamba ngomntwana tethe umntwana asemnikeze ilift. Bekahleli la emuva. uSipho bathi hayi wena ngibona ngathi sizakushiya manje akunamama esimnikeze ilift la. He batho ke makala ke yazi uSipho lo mama ngize ngamnikeza ukudla ala emuva. Ngiye vele ngiyobheka lapha esitini mangifika vele nakukudla mara umama akekho. Okay. Hayi fast forward sharp lucky like imoto kusho ukuthi imoto iyaphuma endleleni. Yashapalizwe wabona. So sibe nenhlanhla ukuthi leli tshe lelo if there wasn't a stone that rock wasn't there besiyowela ngale wabona. So we got lucky and imoto beyingamoshekanga yabona ngaleyo ndlela it wasn't bad. Okay fine sihambe ke and never seholele the border wabona. Sambe ubeke endlini impilo iqhubeke vele yabona. Hayi fine fike vele kusasa ekseni ngifike endlini ngiyaklina nje ngithi kahle endlini hayi ngithi ngiphumule vele ngithi ngilale kusasa ngesikolweni ngilaleke. Hayi man ha ke robetse kya utlwa man for ukula bona ha robetse na umuntu mawulela umuntu bangafika azoma lapha mkwakho uyafi mina ngilo umuntu lokuthi mangilele angilali gone mawuvula umnyango ngilele ngizowuza ukuthi khona umuntu ola endlini yabona. So ke robetse man ha ke robetse kya utlwa man ngaka hona le motho ka kamereng ka mona wabona. Ngivula amehlo mangivula amehlo ngiyambona nangiyalo mama loya ume lapho emnyango ungibhekile yabona. Nalo mntana wakhe ubhizi uyakhala umntana yabo. Ngimbuza ngithi hawu mama ufunani lana kwenzekeni ngawe like what happened yabona. Umama angitsheleke istory ukuthi hayi mina mntanami kahle bengihlala eSenegal ngibuye eLesotho bengihlala eSenegal ngishadwe eSenegal. Indoda yami bekumuntu o driver ama truck yabo. So abantu bama truck vele uyazi ukuthi bahlezi basendleleni uyabuya aphinda hambe abuya aphinda hambe. So kusho ukuthi ke ugirl yena njengoba indoda ingekho yena wasala wenzani yabona azisiza ngomunye umuntu.
Okay.
Yabona. So aba pregnant ke aba umntana waba khona. Umntana makakhona ke kusho ukuthi indoda vele nje asazi ukuthi indoda ithole kanjani ukuthi umntana akuso wakhe. Ila ke asho ke umama ukuthi indoda wamthatha afika vele amthatha athi asambe mngami sambe sike siyobabona lekini eLesotho yabo. Athi ngithi ngiqoqa amabhegi ngiyapaka athi ungapaki nje siyavela siyabuya nje yabona something like a road trip nyana. Mama athi ngingene athi njengoba ungibona nginje ngaphuma nginje endlini. Athi ngangena emotweni sahamba nomuntu wami sithi siyobona abakithi eLesotho. Athi masifike endleleni yila umuntu ke umuntu wathi khiphe emotweni wangidubula nomntwana. Athi so yinto eyenzakalayo that's why umoya wami uloko uyazula la emgwaqweni angikutholi ukuphumula. So ngimbuza ngithi manje mama mina ke kusho ukuthi wena njengoba imoto sithola iaccident lapha ya inhloso yakho vele mama bofuna ukuthi usibulale. Athi ya vele kuyinhloso yami into engijwayele vele ukuyenza vele. Atsho jwalo mama ke tlwaetse ho yetsa ntho eo wabona. Mara wena ha ke yetsa ntho bane ke bona hore o tlo kgona hore ungithuse wabona. Ngithi manje mina mama ngizokusiza kanjani mina because nami nje ngumntwana angazi nix. Athi uzongisiza ngizokutshela ukuthi wenzeni ngiyabona. Hayi okay fine sharp ngivuke kusasa ngiye esikolweni qhubeka impilo. So mina eroomini lami uyazi res ukuthi kunjani yabo. Asina abafithanga yabo. So mele sikhe amanzi ngaphandle empompini yabo. And mina iroom lami liphambi kompompi. So ngilo muntu la nginamabhakede endlini yabona. Ngiyazi ukuthi bangifuna something ngiyaphuma nje yabona ngithi ngikha amanzi kahle nje. So this one time ngibuye esikolweni yabona. Mangibuye esikolweni mangifika endlini ngiyezwa man kumanzi like imat imanzi nje yabona. Ngizibuza ukuthi kumanzi kanje why kunamanzi la endlini kugcwele amanzi la endlini kwenzakalani yabona. Sharp keep imete ngineke lapho ungabi nendaba vele. yabona, sharp. Qhubeka impilo. So the other time bengise edrobheni yabona. Mangise edrobheni kanje ngihamba ngihlangane nalo mama lo umthandazi yabona. Lo mama akasabuyi manje emaphupheni, akasangitshela ukuthi kumele ngiyenzeni yabona. Nami vele impilo seyaqhubeka angisekho lapho nami yabo. Hayi, hlangana nalo mama umthandazi. Mangihlangana nalo mama umthandazi angibuze like uyangibulisa ngwanaka ukayi kirikiteng ukayi mama. Ake kuyaphela wabona. Angibuze igama lami nesibongo sami ngimtshele yabona. Sharp. Lo mama angitshela angibuza ukuthi sakabani lesithunzi lesi asibona kimi njengoba like wabona khona sififile ngwamakaletseng wabona. Hayi, nathi magathi ngiyenza ngathi angazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani yabona. Lo mama anginikeza inamba yakhe athi ngicela uze uzongibona mntanami. Okay, sharp. Vele nje ngiyenza isikhathi ngihambe ngiyobona lo mama afike lapho angisize angihlole. Makangihlola angitshele ngalo mama lo ya. Angitshela ukuthi kumele siyenzeni sihambe semanzini kanjani ayogeza lo muntu lo asusele ithunzi lelibuze lilale kahle yabona aphumule ngoba manje ungibangela isithunzi uyabona. Sharp. Umuntu wakhona ufuna imali yabona. Imali engango-500 yabona. Sekumele manje ngiyenzeni bafonile ekhaya ngitshela umama ukuthi hayi mama usole cause umama bengamtshelanga nangale accident leya. Cause uma uzongibuza ukuthi why uhambe ngale moto leyo wawungahambanga yabona ngama public transport yabo. Fine. Fonela umama ngimtshele yonke into ukuthi mama kuka sona so kwenzeke sona so angisalali manje mina phela yabona ebusuku manje lo muntu unokufika yabona and makafika ufuna lento ayifunayo uyabona. Mama athi okay akunankinga yazi ngizokuthumela imali yakhona wena nje yenza into yakhona idlule so that nawe impilo yakho iqhubeke. Shapu, lafika ilanga, sahamba nomama, saye emanzini. Mama wangigeza ngento zakhona, iwashu lezi, wakhuluma naye lo mama lona. Wakhuluma naye wamemeza, wakhuluma, saqeda kwaba into ephelayo. Fine. Kanete nami ngijabulile ngizitshela ukuthi at least nje yabona. Ngiyolala ngazi ukuthi ngimsingwazi ukusiza lo mama yabona. Okay, sharp. Qhubeka impilo ke, yabona. Sharp. So kwenze ukuthi mangilele sengilo muntu lo mina angihluthwa nje izinto ezisnacks yini lento le ekhama abantu ebusuku
Nagmer.
Sitahlwana angihluthwi mina lezi zinto lezi ngangikhama nonke endlini mina iyangijampa nje ngabakhama bonke omunye athi ngivukile ngaqhama ebusuku makathi ebhakede nakunamkhamo ngithi nina kahle kahle bekwenzakalani yini benikhanywa yini yabo angithi ayingidlaleli mina lento leyo vele yimi lo sengumuntu onokhanywa ilento leyo yangiqobitela ingihame ebusuku man
Uxhaxhamona.
yangikhama yo sharp. So aniyenzeka amalanga alandelelana yabona. So ngiyenzeni this one time ngizitshela ukuthi you know what ne angeke ngilale ngizocross night ubusuku bonke ngizobheka ama TikTok ubusuku bonke ngibheka abo YouTube la ngibheka izinto ngizikhiphe busy so that ngizolala emini yabo. Sharp ngiyenze kanjalo. Fike kube emini ngizitshela ukuthi ayithi ngilale ke manje. Hakiriki yakobala nayi lento iyafika seyizingibamba nasemini manje. Yangikhama. Hayi ila khona ngathatha ikhona emini iyangikhama. Hayi thatha ifone. Fonela umama ngimtshela ukuthi mama yabona manje angisakwazi ukulala. Lo mama ngiyambona manje futhi ngihambile ngayimanzini makanaki umuntu usafika manje nemakafika la vele kukhale nje lengane yakhe irase nje. From there ngizwa nje into ingibamba iyangikhama lento leyo yabona. Mama afonele umfundisi lapha esontweni. Singabantu abasontezayo ngiyabona. Fonela umfundisi angitshela ukuthi asisi thatha amakhandla lakho ayi7 uthathe ubasa umlilo lapho cabanga ngasi mina sengibasana nemililo lapha eRes abantu bazitshela ukuthi ngiyathakatha manje
Mina basumlilo sure
imagine athi thatha amakhandla ayi7 lapha ama different colors uhambe ugibela intaba before wenza lokho kumele uzile nje vele indoda nje ungahlangani nayo utshwala into ezisnacks uzibekele eceleni because entabeni nentaba nayo ngisho nabanikazi bayo uyothi uhamba entabeni uyokhipha into mawufika lapha kanti mawubuya uthatha ezinye thina abantu abazishiya lapho yabona ngiyenze kanjalo ngihambe ngentabeni umama bangitshela umfundisi ukuthi yenza so wenza so mawufika lapho uyenza so mawuqeda ubuye ungabheki emuva ngiyenze kanjalo ngibuye ngibasa umlilo qeda ukubasa umlilo thatha eRes thatha amalahla umlotha wakhona thele eminyango thatha iperiperi faka iperiperi ngeqa ngene endlini uvala umnyango thatha isibhekere kokotele faka intambo red lo omnye umlotha lo wakhona lo osele bathe ngithenga ivaseline fake phakathi kwevaseline ugqobise ngigeze nje mangesikolweni bese ngiyagqobisa ngiyahamba. That's how lento leyo iye yathi ukuthi ukubhodla kancane. Ever since then I don't think lo mama uye wangihlupha because uye wabuya yena abuya ngephupho ngambona nje emile lapho umntana angasakhali vele yabona qeda waphuma umama wahamba. So I took it ukuthi kusho ukuthi vele kore utsami kore ke zami no ke mo robatse ka khotso ifo robetse ka khotso wa kusisi kapa maybe usukile kimi seka yongamathela omunye umuntu angazi mara nje I'm just glad ukuthi mina kimi usukile wa kusisi that I'm just glad I'm just glad awon. So also ntwana nang ikore bontsha batho for like it's very important, you know, angisho Tina as black people, well not all of us because I see how we don't have ama belief with our family, yes, but it's very important ukuthi umuntu mara if ushonele endleleni umphefumulo wakhe udo uhawhane motileng, it's very important ukuthi angisho nokubona ukuthi abanye abantu banokuthatha lapha bahamba bathi bewelanda umphefumulo endleleni. That's very important because now we've got spirits, it's a long they are busy causing accident la endleleni or kusisi. So like guys, please as a belief latang batho ba kolona ko ditseleng ba lateng or kusisi because laba khona nabo like they are longing for warmth, bafuna ukuthi ba phumule kahle or kusisi.
Mama Mkwena asibuyisele emuva just to get more clarity and more understanding into it now. So now we've got people that says when they see into njengepogo apotigodoshi and they're unforeseen, it's a gift. Do you believe that gift?
It's not a gift. Like as of those people are spiritually gifted.
Well, they say it's a gift. Some of them they say whether they have the spiritual gift, but born just to see the unforeseen or the unseen.
Yeah, I could take it as a gift and also as a curse at the same time. Yeah, because it's not nice seeing those things. It's not very nice. Being able to see what other people cannot see. It's not a nice thing. I don't want to lie. It's not very nice.
So, Camilo, I mean, what, or is it you being chosen from the family from birth? Or there's certain things that they maybe protect. I'm putting certain things into my child as we grow up, practicing certain things, and then we open up into other things that we do not know, and then they start affecting. Maybe if not me as a parent, maybe they start affecting the child, and then they open up those spirits into the child. How now from where I'm sitting, I still want the clarity of understanding. If you say to me, Nahatebe, it is a gift to me, right? And then when you narrate the story of that gift, maybe can understand if we see why sisebenza with fear, why sisebenza ngendlela ukuthi it would cause certain things that will be probably blocking izinto zakho or zizoba negative, zizokulethela zonke izinto zokuthi mawuyicabanga or mawuyikhuluma akusinto engazathi it's something to write home about, that it's something that brings maybe victory to say, look Siga, you're missing out, I'm telling you the honest truth. If bobona izinto uzibona ngabe uyibhilone njengami and you are not, uyapha you know. So in most cases when I sit with our guests like this, Donna, it brings you to a point where you start questioning what is a gift at the end of the day.
Yeah.
If you call that a gift and it works most of the time in a negative aspect of your life, you know, I don't know what is the good thing out of this thing. Maybe there's good thing or no, Siga, I managed to save Ukoko. And then we then have to do an introspection with how many people are like you who are saving, and we think what is the proof that you did save Ukoko? Because at the end of the day, maybe you need to have had another revelation that shows good no Mansiga. And then the confirmation of what I did here. I saw Gogo on the other side, bekajabulile, apha emisnefa adla umdoko adlisa umntwana to confirm ukuthi ngempela umsizile ugogo.
Umsizile.
So I don't know, on your side, do you have an understanding of it is a gift and it works in a positive aspect?
Well, mina ngathi I believe ukuthi lento le gift, if umuntu is gifted angisho lento leyo uzala nayo angisho.
Okay.
Uzala unayo. And actually I actually believe ukuthi everybody is gifted, you understand?
Okay.
Everybody, because we all have our angels or Chris's. So but also remember there will always be good and bad or Chris's. Yes. So mina I wouldn't say I'm a gift. I wouldn't say umama said to me, I came to you because I know you will be able to help me because I'm gifted. I wouldn't say that. Or this is, but maybe she knew that I would listen to the instructions, or maybe I would make efforts to alale. You understand? So I don't know. I don't know what to say, but this thing, yeah, I'm a gift and all that. It's so complicated. You understand? Because remember now, no matter how good you do or no matter what you do, ukuthi ujabulise bona labo bantu abaphansi bazohlezi bafuna something, you understand? Meanwhile, don't forget ukuthi those people bona they live their life, right? They live their life, always. So manje sekuthi sekwenzakalani thina sisebenze sekumele wena usebenzele umphefumulo wabo ongasekho ukuze bona babone angazi in like it's complicated. It's so complicated. But now what I believe that everybody unale their guardian angel, or is if you have to see something, everybody can foresee things before they happen. You understand? Yes. So lento ukuthi ubanibani gifted and ubanibani is not. I feel like it's people bazama ukuthi bazenze bona as if they are special. Or is the time everybody is special. Or is everybody is special. Everybody is gifted. Or is
Crenshaw.
yeah, that lo mama lawyer, gube like she would have went to anybody. You understand? She didn't come to me because I'm special. No, she would have went to anybody. Mara now is that like that person? Were they going to be able to help her? Or it's like that.
The Florence?
On my side, I want to ask, was this logo Hambanai, like what happened to you? Try to reach out to her, I would say. I mean, ever since that day, this is what followed, or communication was cut since it started.
Oh, see, I never remember, I don't know her. Umuntu ohlala uzostoka la Josephine hambe. So after she dropped me home, that was it. I never ever ngikhulume naye ever since then. Azange sisakhuluma at all.
And you said she didn't see ugogo nomntwana.
She didn't. Bekathi kimi uya wena uphambene. Akunamuntu esimnikeza lift la right la I'm sure uko right. Yabo. Maybe la ingqondo seyithe ukushifta kancane. I'm like, dog, I know ukuthi bekhona umama la. Bekhona umama la. Ngize ngithi bheka naku ukudla. Masibheka vele ukudla kukhona emuva. Mara umama akekho. Ngiyabona.
Hayi ukuthi mamkwena sikunganjalo sidodloza phela.
Nami yazi nami into engingayicabanga manje nje because I was like I just brushed it off ngathi yazi ngidakiwe yazi hayi bese ngihlabile vele ngiyenze ukuthi akunamama vele ila umama makasekavela manje sengimbona mangithi mangilele ngivula amehlo ngimbona ngabona ukuthi akusho ukuthi bekungadakwanga lo mama vele ukhona vele nginenkinga vele kumele ngibhekane nayo ngisort out ngibona. So that was that. So now, when I say everybody is special, we are special in different ways, you understand? And now I'm that person, I can literally talk to anybody about anything. Or this is maybe umama begabonuta la uyabo. So as funny thing about we have different gifts. So that was it. I'm just glad that I was able to say the umama abe kahle, abe right. Or this is.
But right on that part, Mam Gwen, how do you know that you did help her? That's the part that at the end of the day, did you get the confirmation ukuthi umsizile? Did she come back to you and say, "Ooh, kiphumutse ngwana"? How do you know? How do you confirm that?
I feel like remember umama would come to me afika nje athulile angibheke because sometimes uye waza first time makafika uye wa-communicate nami wangitshela ukuthi ushone kanjani indoda imdubulele kuphi entabeni amnqwaba lapho nomntwana ngisho. So this other times bekaza nje kube umuntu ongibhekile nje yabona ungishebile fela ngapha lo mntwana uyakhala.
In a dream.
Lo mntana in a dream she would come like that umntana uyakhala. Sometimes benginokuthi ngimbone sometimes she would come as a dream. Mangivula amehlo ngithi nangu vele.
Literally.
Wawukiyona muthona namona na. Ukakamre nyaka uyimimunyaka uyamubona kulo. Wawutlisisa and uEmi fela ungishebile. Ngivuke manje ngilight. Akekho. Sekumele manje ngilale ngilayitile ngoba ngiyasaba ukuthi umuntu uzofika ebusuku. Wawutlisisa bengimele ukuthi like I had to ukuthi ngimsukumele lo muntu lo ngisheshe ngimsize ngoba manje impilo yami besiqala ukuhlala izinto nje vele besezibuya nje bezingibuyela. Hayi bezikhala shem. Bezikhala. Nobuthongo bengingabutholi sengasakwazi nokuthi ngifunde kahle ngibhekane nezifundo zami kahle yabona. So I had to. So I know ukuthi la khona ngikwazi ukuthi ngimsize ngoba the last time mangimbona ufikile nje umama angibhekile umntana angasakhali.
Okay.
Nanoma ngimbheka ngimbone ebuso ngiyabona ukuthi wathi baking muthi unalihotho sifahle ho ngokusisi hayisale muthwane nini.
Okay.
Atlanka enga. Plus also remember like you know, even in the dream, mawuba nephupho, you know, makutshela ukuthi okay, uphupheni. Ngiphuphe ngibona ubani. Bofila kanjani? Bengithukile. Like it's all about how you felt. Or if you feel ukuthi kuthulile kupholile, that's how I felt manje ngibona ngifeel ukuthi usharp nojena. Ukobethe kahotho momali ngitheng. I just hope ukuthi ngwazile ukuthi ngimsize. Ungabe usayogini imoto zabantu lapha ya. Lo.
So never heard of any accidents, people claiming it's the sea here or anything like that. There was a man who was maybe of things that have happened in the past. People claimed it's in such and such.
Yeah, in the past, yes. I don't know lately ukuthi has it happened again.
Wow, so
But
it was already a rumor then.
There was already a rumor. Vele around those hours, 12:01, kuba busy nje vele lapho. If you remember nale celebrity leya eyaseLesotho leya enkulu, I don't want to mention names or anything.
Yes.
It was the same law wadlula. It was the same route. You understand? If I'm not mistaken. So like guys,
Khono admits that no, thina siyabaqeda.
Yeah, she admitted ukuthi manje ngiyenzeni. Nami angisho ngizitshela nami ngiyalanda. Why nina niphila kamnandi mina ngibuka ukuthi ngilani lokho niyadlula la. Niyadlula kumnandi niyaphithizela ngiyakulanda vele.
Nami ngibhayizisiwe ngcono nginibhayizisa.
Nami angisho ngingaye ekhaya mina nina niyahamba niyemaseko eLesotho. Ngingayi kithi mina. Ngcono singayini sonke. Vele ngiyalanda.
Okay, Mamkwena, userez. Then the next thing ulanda amakhandlela ayi-7.
Yo, hey.
Then ushaziphelele. What time was it? Ma uzishaziphelele mntansika upractice riding.
Yo, you know what I know? Lapho entabeni yakhona bebathe it's either ngiya ngo 6 a.m. or ngiya ngo 12 ebusuku. So likely we don't stay for iresa ayikho kude. Khona angenze ngithi intaba, but it's an sehlani. What is ehlani?
Yeah.
Yabona. So then on the side khona lo mfula lo ohlukanisa iSA neLesotho umhokari. Then khona umfula lapho. So it's not far from iresa. So I chose ukuthi ngiye ebusuku because emini labantwana bazongibona bese bathi ngiyathakatha.
When uye ngo-12.
Hey. Uyabona? It's not far. Ngibe ngo-12.
No, siya-understand.
Ngiyafika nje ngishaya into zami ngithi phahlaza iqanda ngiyenza into ezakhona ngithi fast qada ngabuya ke ngagijima ngibheke emuva and la ugijima khona ila uzwa ngathi vele kunento emuva yakugijimisa. Gijima ngathi ngafika endlini ngibhala umnyango uyabona.
Okay, Mamkwena. Usentabeni ngo-12 a.m.
Yes.
Ngey'nkathi sonke esaziwa ukuthi those are the moments of the spirits ziqala uku-operate khona.
Yebo.
What exactly were you doing? Mawuletha amakhandlela. Maybe someone, the viewers might, yazi khona abantu abanjani, makawuzwa something kuyi-solution kuwe, they might want to mimic it and then go and do.
Yes.
Bese siyamspanela. What is it that you did exactly mawusentabeni?
Ngifihla mo angingalayita amakhandlela ngisho wonke ayi-7.
Yes.
Yes. Not including the black one. No black one. Ngalayita amakhandlela. mangifika ngimemeza mina ngabiza ingilosi zami angeke ke bitsa manyeloi aka ke bitsa modimo wa ka utlwa ke bitsa kganya cause obviously mawufika lapha you should be very careful ukuthi ubiza bani mawufika lapho umele mawubiza umuntu umbize ngegama ungathi nginibiza nonke nina abakwamthembu or abakamkwena ngoba kuzoza nalaba kade babulala abantu angisho kuzoza nalaba kade bathakatha so you have to be specific ukuthi ngibiza nina ingelozi zenhlanhla or izokukhanya ezani wabona so that's what I did ngabatshela ngakhuluma watshela inkinga yami ukuthi kusona so kunomuntu la ithunze engihamba nalo naso lo muntu ngizele nje ukuzongishiya lana nje ngicela nimbonise indlela nimsiza ukuthi afike la yabona aye kubantu bakibo ayolala nabantu bakibo ngoba sisi kayetsa mthutse ntsekile yetsa mono no chitha amanzi ngathi kahle qanda ngalithi qeda ngathi kushiya amakhandlela avutha lapho ngabaleka ngadla phansi shame.
Now this is per instruction. Awuzange wasukeleke wayenza yonke le nto.
Bengizwaze laphi ukuthi ngimele ngenze.
Yes, I think it's very important to mention that because njengoba ngisho ukuthi khona abantu abakhanda lula mase ngagcinwe yinkinga anything kuba i-solution they will definitely do it.
Yes.
They will, if imsebenzela uMamkwena, let me try. Maybe it will work because I've tried so many things, or chances are I haven't tried, but now because na iSoweto podcast yimi noSika mangicela ukugeza and then ubukela uthola uSika ohleli noMamkwena abona ukuthi light bulb moment solution. So I think it's very important to say Mamkwena didn't say guys go and do. It is umuntu when they seek help they go out of their way as per. Okay, Mamkwena. Resbo uhlala nobani?
Bengihlala ngiyi-1.
Oh, boyi-1. Fortunate enough.
Yeah, lucky enough bengiyi-1. Abanye bayashare vele. Mawufuna ukushare uzoshare. Mawungashare it means more money, yabona. So vele mina bengingeke vele nje. Angishare vele. Bengeke ngikwazi ukushare because vele uyabona yilo muntu leyothi mangifuna ukuthi hayi namhlanje ngifuna uvela ukugeza ngento zami. Bazothini labantu uyabona mangivuka ngifuna ukushisa impepho uzothini yi-roommate yebo that's why bengibhadala i-room lami ngiyi-1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mamkwena. So another question lastly before we close. In most cases you find where batho ba khona go bona dipuku and what. Most ya bona banamba ntabatana. Do you have that as well?
Yes.
Okay. Does that come from them or this is just a gift from Wenanje as an individual alone? Or is it backed up by them? Or
I
is it
have
gift
mine.
from
I have
God,
mine.
or-
I have mine that I was born with. Like I mentioned, that everybody has their.
It's true.
Yes, and then I have leyo ke abantu abadala ukuthi ubani bani wabaleka ini yephehlweni kwenzani manje seziwele nganini yabona into ezinjalo but yeah into enjalo nje into engisathi uyibhekisisa kahle nje because at the end of the day you know you're not supposed to do things because utshelwa abantu umthandazo utshela ukuthi kumele wenze sona so it's all about ukuthi mina ngiyafuna na or angifuni. You understand? Yes, so injalo nje. So I don't know, it's like that. Yona kuyinto ekhona but ngisathi nje ukuyibhekisisa kahle ukuthi ngithatha yiphi indlela uyabona.
So you believe ghosts are real?
They are real.
They are.
They are real.
Are we supposed to live with them or we're not supposed to?
We can live with them if they are if hadiatla ngaring if hadire le matsi, you understand? Yes. Re rapila le tsona. Rapila le tsona ke go tsa ba re like not everybody ebunandini is alive. You know that, right?
Mamkwena ke tsebe nanto.
Yeah, so
Trevor nisitshela into ezinja. As such a
umuntu onjalo makaze siye ebhiyeni sonke siyokuhlaba sonke naye uze ebhiyeni akangisho akasilimazi. So I wouldn't mind like yeah. Uyabona as long as bangasilimazi ay angangipophi phela. Angangibambi phela angahambi nami endlini ngoba uyabona
nosingisho nikhaphane sharp chomi ingayi BA1 wankaru selfish umgayi 1
yeah. Isibore siyaphilisana ngisho naye kusho ukuthi usayithanda le mpilo asazi but as long as bangasilimazi basikakalimaza dibhokotse nana it's fine. I wouldn't
coexist with
mind bangitshela ukuthi lo muntu lo ushonile lo yazi lo muntu bekusisi wami simnqwabile ngithi mina benginayo izolo akangilimazanga mos right feel iyachubeka kunankinga mina I wouldn't mind
Bangafuna ukunyala uzothini?
wabona he
Ayingatshintshi itone mama Mkwena. Angithi it's okay mashayibhi amafuna ukunyala.
uzongishada kanjani angaphili
Mara mashayibhi yaphila.
Ama-shape Mawumshada manje angeke sikwazi ukusatisfyana kahle manje ngoba yena akasaphili kulo mhlaba lo wethu. Uvela nje kuphela ngabo ma-1.
Uphila ngebhiya kuphela.
Yeah, uphila ngebhiya kuphela so it wouldn't work.
Mama Mkwena. Esikhohlisa meeting kuhle hle. Bafethu lapha emakhaya. Thank you so much. Nimzwile Mama Mkwena, please let us know what you think. Do you agree no Mama Mkwena? Do you disagree? Let us know ukuthi no Mama Mkwena uphethwe ibhiya nalabantu bakhe. So bafethu let us know ukuthi ayishayi khona idumi kanje mazovaya. Bafethu please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button and continue to support us and we'll continue to give you more stories. Tsadipoku. Sipho Hatebet's my name. Soweto Podcast. Stando Samnyabong. Thank you so much for coming through.
Thank you.
Yeah, we hope to see you next time. Usitshele more ukuthi sesiyashada neimpoko rasikashadi la.
I'll keep
Thank
you
you. Thank you Bafethu. Ayoba.